Another area where I'd like to show you some code is how I used the Chart.js, it's Chart.js, to make charts in this application. So just as a reminder, this is what the charts look like. It's basically assembling survey responses that match up with the search criteria and charting them out so you can see nice bar graphs. So jumping over to IntelliJ, let me switch here. I'm starting here showing you the servlet. So this is the servlet that organizes all kinds of stuff for the search. But down here is a little bit of a separate method that is called add chart data to session. And it's using this entity, this chart data class. And the chart data class basically organizes a way to tally up the survey response and turn them into JSON. So this is the organizing method here. There's a tallying method, and then there's a way to handle that for the 3 different questions. So the surveys are kind of processed through the 3 different questions from the intake survey, and separate tallies are made for all the responses. So that's what's being called up there, just really quick. But then once it's down here, then it is turned into JSON and set to the session back here in the servlet. And then once the search results are displayed on the page, this JavaScript file has the Chart.js information in it. And it's making an XML HTTP request to get the data out of the Java part of the program. And so this was the part that was kind of new to me. I hadn't done that with Java. And I found a resource here that helped me to do it. And so it puts all the data to the session, and then it sets the content type and gets the writer. And so these steps made it possible to make the charts. So then the data is in here, and it's that big JSON data set that was made over here in chart data. Now it's here, and JavaScript is all set up to pull out the parts that are needed to make the labels on the charts, and then to make the bar graph, the bars, as long as they need to be. So that's how Chart.js works in my application.